everybody. Good evening. Let's hear it for the Dickens Carolers, everybody. Oh, wonderful. Oh, wonderful. Thank you so much. This is our third annual tree lighting. Welcome, everybody, to TD Place in Lansdowne Park for this third annual event in our beautiful, majestic tree here on stage. Everybody, the Belle Galaxy. Welcome, Santa. Welcome. Okay, let's start the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. We're just going to point in the air, and it's going to magically light up. Is everybody ready? Okay, let's start the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Light it up! We're gonna light up this closet. Is everybody ready? Okay. We're gonna go from 5 this time. We're gonna try to be economical with this thing. Is everybody ready? Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Light it up! It's lit, everybody! Merry Christmas! Thank you so much for being here, everybody. Enjoy the holidays.
Right.